Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus, a powerhouse with premium features. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is a high-performance smartphone designed for power users who demand top-tier specifications. With a MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, a triple 50MP camera setup, and a 144Hz AMOLED display, this device is built to deliver an exceptional experience. Let's dive into its key features. Key specifications at a glance. RAM and storage: 12GB LPDDR5X RAM plus 256GB UFS 4.0 storage. Processor: MediaTek Dimensity 8350, 4nm. Rear cameras: 50MP, primary, plus 50MP, Periscope, 3x optical zoom, plus 8MP, ultra-wide. Front camera: 32MP. Battery: 5200 mAh with 100 watts fast charging, 100% in 32 minutes. Display: 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED, 144Hz refresh rate, 1300 nits peak brightness. OS: Android V15 with XOS, 2 years of updates. 5G support, yes. Performance and efficiency. The Dimensity 8350 chipset, built on a 4nm process, ensures smooth multitasking and gaming. The octa-core CPU, up to 3.35 GHz, and Mali G615MC6 GPU handle demanding apps effortlessly. With 12GB LPDDR5X RAM, the Note 50 Pro Plus offers lag-free performance, while UFS 4.0 storage speeds up app loading and file transfers. Stunning AMOLED display. 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with 144Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling. 1300 nits peak brightness ensures great visibility under sunlight. Punch-hole display with an 89.81% screen-to-body ratio for immersive viewing. Professional-grade camera system. Triple rear cameras. 50MP primary, f/1.9, WA, sharp, stabilized shots. 50MP periscope, 3x optical zoom, high-quality zoomed images. 8MP ultra-wide, 15mm FOV, expansive landscape shots. 4K at 60fps video recording and 1080p at 240fps slow motion. 32MP front camera. Crisp selfies and 4K at 30fps video recording. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. The 5200 mAh battery keeps you powered all day, while 100 watts fast charging refuels the phone in just 32 minutes. Premium design and durability. Sleek 8mm thickness with 209 grams weight. IP64 splash and dust resistance for added durability. Connectivity and extras. 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC. Stereo speakers, USB Type-C, FM radio. In-display optical fingerprint sensor. Final verdict. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is a flagship-level smartphone with a powerful chipset, pro-grade cameras, a high-refresh AMOLED display, and ultra-fast charging. If you're looking for a premium device under a budget, this phone is a strong contender. Would you consider buying it? Let us know in the comments. Rock it!